Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to Mommy Trader, welcome. On this channel, I am just documenting me and my family of five's journey to financial independence and generational wealth, and we are going to get there via investing in the stock market, real estate, cryptocurrency, and just overall increasing our net worth. So if that sounds interesting to you, go on and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and join us. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate you guys being here. Also note that I am over on Instagram, Mommy Trader YouTube channel, all one word. I will also have it linked down in the description box below. I will be posting on there more so often than here. And speaking of that, I am changing my posting schedule. So as you guys know, I try to post every day. Sometimes I actually put up 2 videos a day. Well, I'm going to move to a more consistent and more realistic schedule for me and my life, because you guys know I have 3 kids. I'm home, and so I want to make sure that I'm putting out more quality based focused content. So I would be putting out more investing videos in terms of what we are specifically doing, and more investor beginner friendly type videos. So you won't see any cash stuffing on my channel, and you'll see a little bit of budget videos. I may throw in one here and there, but honestly my channel is, I want to kind of gear it towards just investing in anything surrounding it. So anything we're doing in our investment accounts, anything we're doing for retirement, real estate, the crypto stuff, net worth related stuff, anything along those lines, you will see more on this channel. And the 4 days that I am going to be posting on is Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay, so that's 4 days out the week, and I hope you guys are looking forward to have some really great stuff coming up down the pipeline that I think you guys will really enjoy seeing. So now that I got that out of the way, I wanted to talk about what this video is about today. And as you can see in the subject line, this is about the crypto that we have in this particular account. Now, I have mentioned before that when I first started this Robinhood account months and months ago, that I didn't have the best understanding in terms of crypto. So I just kind of bought it because someone mentioned it, and I bought it in Robinhood. Now that I have come a long way with crypto and have such a greater knowledge of what it is and what's it about, and just other altcoins as well, that I do all of my buying now over in Coinbase, which is a platform that will allow you to safely buy and secure your crypto. You can also put your crypto on a hardware wallet so that you can have your own key, so that you can own your own crypto. Unfortunately, Robinhood does not let you do that right now. Now they say that they're working on it, but again, so the crypto that we have here in this Robinhood, I'm going to be using it as like a trade. So basically buying it, and until if Robinhood does not offer me the opportunity to either transfer this or to have us be able to put it on a wallet, then I'm just going to hold it as long as I can, because again, the crypto that I bought way back when has just been really profitable, because now everybody is talking about Bitcoin, to be specific. I mean, so many companies and different ones, and I didn't put a whole lot into Bitcoin, but what we did put in, we received, our initial investment back in terms of gain. So I wanted to show you guys that, and you guys always know I'm about the real numbers on this channel. There's no point in kind of keeping this general, because I want to show you guys that this can be motivating, that this can happen for you, because if it happened to me, it can happen to you. Okay, now as you can see, I have Bitcoin up here. Now let me put it in the search bar, because I'm always talking about tickers and things like that. So if you want to find Bitcoin's ticker is BTC, but if you can't remember that, just type in Bitcoin, BITCOIN, and you see it comes up right there. Now there is Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin Gold and Bitcoin SV. My personal opinion, now disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a fiduciary or anything like that, so don't come for your sis, guys, but I would just stick to just Bitcoin. Okay, just stick to that. And so as you can see, we have Bitcoin pulled up. Now Bitcoin has just been doing phenomenal lately, and it's just on a tear. And so as you can see live, because I love that Robinhood has the live option, because remember guys, Bitcoin and other altcoins or just cryptocurrency in general does not trade like the stock market. The stock market is open Monday through Friday, barring any holidays or anything like that, but Monday through Friday, and you can pre-trade from 4 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. and then the market is officially open from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. and then you can trade after hours. And after hours trading is from 4 p.m. I hope I said it right. From 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. So again, but cryptocurrency trades 24/7. It's not subjected to holidays. It's not subjected to anything else. It is traded worldwide 24/7. Okay, so that's why they have live here. That live allows you to see how the currency is trading. As you can see, it's going a little bit sideways, dipping a little bit. So if anybody is interested in getting into this at a dip price, this may be your opportunity. As you can see, the past hour is down. Well, as you can see, it's trying to go up, but it's down a little bit. And remember guys, Bitcoin and all the other altcoins, just cryptocurrency in general nowadays, is really volatile. And volatile just means that it can kind of go up a lot or down a lot. Most transactions, most stocks, most securities, they kind of trade sideways, whether they're going up or whether they're trading down. Whereas Bitcoin especially, it will like shoot up several thousand and fall several thousand in a matter of a few hours. So again, it's very volatile. So I would just suggest you just invest with money, if you are interested, money that you don't need right now. And remember guys, you should have your emergency fund in place, and you should have a plan to pay off debt, because again, if you lose this money, then you don't want to worry about, you know, your bills or where your food is coming from or anything like that. Okay, so invest with money, and that's just general. Invest with money that you know are okay with losing, that you don't need right now. So as you can see, in the past day, Bitcoin is up pretty good, about 2.63%. For the week, it's up almost 20%, which is pretty awesome. On the past month, 83%. That is amazing. 3 months, look at this, over 200%. The past year, up over 500%, and we don't even want to talk 5 years, 14,400%. That is super, super amazing. But again, I believe that Bitcoin is going to go higher, easily 100,000, and I am thinking by the summertime, easily 100,000. So as you guys can see, I put in $3,000 like I mentioned way back when, and this $3,000, the total return we have gotten on this is over 160% return. That is super amazing. I was talking to my husband and we were talking about how, oh my goodness, if we would have put in $10,000, the return we would have gotten back on our $10,000 or $20,000. But again, hindsight is 2020. The best thing we can do right now is just make the best decisions that we can. And so I can tell you that Bitcoin trades really, I can kind of see how it trades now. It'll trade sideways, it'll have a little lull, then it'll go up. As you can see right here, it'll trade sideways for a few days, a little lull, then it goes up. And so that is where, if you want to get in on a dip, if you have some money aside and you say, you know what, I want to put it in Bitcoin, wait for the lulls. And so this is why learning and studying the chart, which is basically technical analysis, you probably have heard that word if you've been looking into stocks and watching videos. Technical analysis basically studies the chart. So let me try to see if I can supersize this, and that way you guys can see. So these are candlesticks, and again, this is more so if you plan on trading the security. So you can trade Bitcoin. There are people who day trade Bitcoin and swing trade Bitcoin, but most people buy and hold, and that's what we do. And so as you can see, now I have the 1 week chart out. So as you can see up here, this allows you to see the chart in different time frames. So you can see it live, you can see it 1 day for the past 1 day, past week, past month, 3 months, and so on and so forth. So I look with Bitcoin, because it's so volatile, I like looking at the past 1 week, the past month, and the past 3 months. Okay, and so if I'm looking to get in at a dip, I'm looking at where it starts to lull. You see how it's just lulling sideways here, and then it'll go up. Lull, sideways, go up. Same down here. If you come back here, it'll lull a little bit, then it'll go up. But the great thing is that Bitcoin is trending up. You see how it's trending up? That is a type of not just crypto, but just stock that you want period, or fund, or wherever you're in. That's what you want to see on the chart, is that it's trending up. And every time there's a lull or red candles just mean that there's some sell-off, that the stock is just dropping. But and you know, the green is the inverse. There's buying, it's going up. But as you can see, every time it dips, it gets bought up. It goes up. Every time it starts to dip a little bit, it goes up even higher. You see this? It dips a little bit, goes up higher. And that's just the basic, easiest way I can explain it without getting too technical about, you know, different things on this chart. But that is really the easy way. And so if I'm looking at this, I am waiting. And as you can see, look right here. You see how it's looked like it's trying to level out a little bit. You see a red candle kind of forming. So you may have a little bit of sell-off, and you may have some sideways action. That's where you may want to, you know, have your money pooled so that you can put it in when you see it started trending sideways. Same with the 1 month. You can see it here. It's just kind of lulling, dips a little bit, then it go up higher. Lulling, dips a little bit, go up higher. Lulling, dips a little bit, go up higher. So on a 4-4. And this, look at this, how it dipped right here and then it just shot up. And this was back on, let's see when this was, February 8th. Look at how it just shot up and then lulls a little bit. And as you can see, the times where Bitcoin stays in a lull is getting shorter and shorter. Every time it dips, it's getting bought up, just basically meaning people are buying into it. And so again, look at your charts and it'll show you where the dips are. And again, so we can see a little, it's trying to look like it's going sideways a little bit, and I'm thinking in the next week or so is where I want to buy it, and I'm thinking of putting in several thousands of dollars. I'm thinking no more than 10,000, but I'll let you guys know because I'm always giving updates and showing you guys our real numbers. And so if you look at 3 months out, again, you see the same thing. Anytime you see the little red candles, there's some sell-off, it's dipping down, it gets bought up. Same with the thing down here. And this was actually a really big low right here. But as you can see, it just, look at this green candle. That means there was a lot of buying that was going on right here. You probably heard Elon Musk talking about it and different ones, and they probably were buying in this long lull. And then look what happened. It just shot up. Same here, shot up, and now we're talking about $58,000. If you look over here, over 58. And so again, because you can't time the market, when you see lulls, that's when you snap your stuff up. Remember, when people are always talking about, especially with stocks, when everything is red, when things are lulling, when things are dipping, go shop and put your capital in, and just, you're getting in at a discount. Don't panic. Don't worry about, oh my goodness, why am I getting in because it's red? No, 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 no. This is long-term investing. That means you want to get in on a sale. Never, ever chase anything or get into anything at the top. Same with Bitcoin. Bitcoin just never just goes straight up. There's always times, even if it's over a couple of days, where you just see it lagging. Sometimes you see it falling. That is when you pounce. Sometimes you have to look at it every day because Bitcoin is so volatile. But again, if you have Coinbase, and I'll leave my referral link, basically you'll get $10 in Bitcoin. I'll get $10 in Bitcoin if you sign up, and that just helps the channel out, and that's you just helping your sis out. But again, guys, you can put your limit orders in. So you can put limit orders, what basically means you are setting the price you want to buy something at. Market order is just basically saying I'll buy it at whatever price it is. Whereas limit order is saying I want to buy it at this particular price. You can put it in, and the platform, the website will fill it for you. So if you don't want to look at it every day, that is totally fine. Okay, guys? So let's go back to where I was looking at. Let's pull up Bitcoin. As you can see, it's right here. It's at $58,265. And as you can see, our return is pretty good. And so again, I'm hoping to put our total contribution in this up to 10,000. So I may have to just take some of this out of we have a 6-month emergency fund. I talked to my husband about that. So it's like $32,000 in cash just sitting there, and my husband is about to get his bonus. So we were thinking, what if we just paid ourselves back when he got the bonus, because you know, we can invest this money in Bitcoin or wherever else, you know, now. And so we're still thinking about it, but of course I'll let you guys know. That's pretty much the video today, guys. If you have any questions, just leave them down below. I hope I made this really understandable and simple and easy for you guys, because I know that this can get a little complicated even for me. And so again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, like the video, and until next time, I'll see y'all in the next one. You guys stay blessed. Bye bye, guys.